niggas must be scared to represent your shit. You're scared. You must be scared, nigga. Scared. Fuck that shit. Fuck all my real niggas that's proud of they hood.